Welcome back. In this module, we're going to understand what is remarketing or retargeting and how you create campaigns when it comes to search remarketing ads, display remarketing ads, Facebook remarketing ads, and so on. So in this video, I'm going to focus mainly upon understanding your remarketing goals and what it is. So in general, there are three kinds of remarketing campaigns that you might want to run. Campaigns aimed at people who did not take a certain action on a page. Second is campaigns aimed at people who reached a certain page within your checkout process but did not complete their purchase. And third one would be campaigns for people who have not seen a page that you would like them to see. So if we take example of first one, you might want to retarget people for generating leads from those who did not opt in on your landing pages, or maybe you want to retarget people and want to convert people who might have abandoned your shopping cart page, or maybe you might want to simply promote content on other pages on your site and retargeting the same visitors. So in this way, you can just categorize your remarketing goals, and it is super important that you know exactly what action you want your potential customer to take when exposed to your remarketing campaign. So let's say you can then go about a couple of things like deciding which pages should contain your remarketing tags. You should choose a network and decide how to reach your target audience on that network. You should also create some custom pages dedicated to the audiences that you are remarketing to, because those pages would specifically be seen by people whom you are just retargeting. They won't be for normal targeting options. Alright, so having knowledge of how you are going to tackle each of these details is crucial and very important if you want to achieve optimal results with your remarketing campaigns. So now, just because you might have just a little bit idea, let me tell you how you can create a remarketing list using Google AdWords. And then that remarketing list can be targeted for search network campaigns, display network campaigns, and video campaigns as well. So creating a remarketing list, there are two parts. Number one is creating a remarketing list, and second is running a campaign targeted at that remarketing list. So first, let's cover how to create a remarketing list. So as you can see, I am logged in inside my AdWords account, and the first thing which you have to do is go into this shared library. Alright, click on this shared library, and over here you see this audiences tab. So tap on this audiences view tab, and if you are here for the first ever time, then you may be notified that AdWords does not detect a remarketing tag. For me, it is AdWords tag last active. So if you are here for the first ever time, you might want to set up your remarketing tag or retargeting tag, right? So for that, simply just follow the instructions of setting up, and once you are there, you would be able to see something like this. Alright, you would be able to see something like this while you are setting up, and view AdWords tag for website. So if you want to set up, then I would do it in front of you. If you click through tag details, you'll be able to access a tag that you can install in your website, which is this one. So let's copy this entire code, come back to your WordPress website, go to appearance and editor, and based on your theme which we had talked in earlier modules, based on the theme, if it is allowing you to edit the tags, then you might want to put up the tag right over here. Right? So it says the code should be before closing body tag. Now before closing body tag means it should be in the footer. So I would just search for footer.php, and there it is. So once I click on footer.php, I would just need to search for this closing body tag. So right above this, I will paste my retargeting code which Google has given me, and I will update the file, and it should be ready to go. You can also email this tag to your technical support team if you do not feel comfortable installing it, and make sure this tag is installed on every single web page on your site. And by doing this, which we just did, it is already installed on all the pages. So if just refresh your website once so that the code is triggered, it fires up for you once, and you won't be require anything else. Alright, so in any case, once you have installed the tag, you need to create a remarketing list. So coming back to your Google AdWords, let's go back, let's just say done, And now, assuming that, and or don't worry guys, if you have just installed your tag, it might not show up active instantly. It might take a little bit time. So once it is there, it would be green. But if it is successfully being installed by you, now you can create your remarketing list. So for you, it would be like empty over here, or it might have just one optimized all visitor AdWords, all right, something like this, which would be automatically which might have been automatically created by AdWords. So let's create a remarketing list, which can be found over here, which is red color button. So once you tap on this, there are 4 options. Website visitors, wherein you remarket to people who have visited your website. Second is mobile app users, wherein you remarket to people who have used your mobile app. Customer emails is remarketing to people who have provided you with their email addresses. And YouTube users is something wherein you remarket to people who have viewed or interacted with your YouTube videos or channels.